money may be coming to La Crosse County to address the opioid crisis. The La Crosse County Board agreed to enter a multi-state settlement from opioid distributors and a manufacturer.
News 8 Now's Emily Haugen takes a closer look at what La Crosse could do with its share.
Like much of the country, La Crosse is facing an opioid crisis.
You know, it's been a real struggle, and it's affected a lot of members in our community, and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future.
Without funding, Dr. Eberlein says it's been hard to address these concerns.
It's costly to treat patients with opiate use disorder. They require a lot of individual counseling and care.
These are burdens that a multi-state lawsuit alleges falls on opioid distributors and manufacturer Janssen.
Few in particular had done in promoting opiate usage, and quite frankly, that did drive a lot of our initial opiate addiction issues.
Since then,
the opioid epidemic, first of all, has already taken a devastating toll on so many families in Wisconsin, and it continues to do so.
La Crosse ranks in the top third of Wisconsin counties for opioid-related overdose deaths.
Now especially, we're really seeing the impact of the pandemic on mental health and opiate use disorder.
Wisconsin Attorney General Josh Kaul says if the settlement is approved, La Crosse County could receive $3.5 million for opioid-related programs.
Resources to fund things like treatment efforts, resources to fund diversion programs, to fund law enforcement efforts, and to fund prevention efforts.
Resources that could help pull La Crosse up. In La Crosse, Emily Haugen, News 8 Now.
Counties and cities from the settlement's participating states are able to opt in through the end of this year.
If the settlement goes through, Attorney General Kaul says opioid distributors will pay out a maximum of $21 billion nationwide over the next 9 years. Manufacturer Janssen will pay out a maximum of $5 billion.